Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can select multiple clips in CapCut. It's pretty easy. Actually, there are three ways by which you can select multiple clips. First of all, if you wanna select all of these clips at once, for that you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus A, and that way you will see that we have selected all of our clips. You can simply move them wherever you like, and you can simply copy them, paste them, whatever you wanna do. So this is the first way to basically select all of your clips at once. But let's say you want to select specific clips like this one, then this one and this one. So for that you can simply hold down the control key on your keyboard, and while holding the control key you can simply click on those clips which you wanna select. Like this, you can see we have selected specific clips, and you can simply move them and you can copy them and do whatever you want. So this is the second way. Now the third way which many people use is by using your mouse. Like all I have to do, simply hold down the left click on your mouse, and while holding the left click you can simply drag and select those clips which you wanna select, like this. Now you can move these clips or copy them, or you can simply delete them as well. So these are three ways to select multiple clips in CapCut. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.